Hello and welcome to the second part in the series of how to overcome driving anxiety with practical in-car tips. This is a brilliant little system which I call OK. You see, when people have anxiety, the mistake they always make is they fight it and they want to beat it and they want to think it's some kind of evil entity that's taken over their life. I have done another video, or several, on why that's not the case. But the way you can change this very quickly is, instead of fighting it and wanting to get rid of it, we're going to do something else. What I want you to do is to say out loud anything negative that you're thinking after part one. Anything like, oh, I've got this feeling in my chest. Now, this is where most people go wrong. They say, oh, I've got this feeling in my chest and my heart's pounding and I don't want to do this and I'm going to die and it's all going to go wrong and I can't drive and I can't do it and my life's wrecked. Instead of doing that, what I want you to do is to add 3 words to the end of your sentence. And those 3 words are, and that's okay. So you're going to say, my hands are feeling really tight on the wheel, and that's okay. And I'm feeling really scared thinking about the motorways, and that's okay. And my heart's starting to pound faster, and that's okay. What it does is it completely changes the way your mind, your amygdala, reacts. I've done another video on the amygdala where I explain how you get the problem of driving anxiety in the first place. And I'll link all these videos in the description that I'm mentioning. So just by saying, and that's okay, can you see how that's different? You take away the aggression and the conflict and the negativity, and you're just accepting, and that's okay. And it's a brilliantly simple system that you can use in anything in your life. And of course it isn't okay. You don't want to be having anxiety. That's not the point. The point is it trains your amygdala to not overreact. The amygdala is what you might know more commonly as your fight or flight response. It's actually more than that. It's fight, flight, freeze, fawn, or the other one starting with F, which I won't say, but it rhymes with duck it. So this trains your amygdala to not overreact. So you simply say what you're feeling from part one. I'm feeling anxious, and that's okay. And you'll be amazed how calming that is. So do it and let me know in the comments what happened for you. If you want more help, check out my driving anxiety course linked in the description, and look out for the next part in this series where I'm going to tell you what else you can do to feel better before you drive. Thanks for watching. See you again soon for more videos.